Jazz, you could do it. Don't let him get the best of you.
It's heavy!
Get it. Pick him up. Pick him up like you never picked him up before.
That hurts.
Are you okay?
It's heavy!
If you can do it, I'll take you to Disney World.
Okay.
But you gotta pick him up and get him on the sofa.
I got it!
You gotta put him on the sofa or I'm not taking you to Disney World.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Take the bear to the sofa.
I got it.
Take him over there.
Jasmine, over there.
Okay.
Alright, lift him up.
Mommy, you will you help me?
No,
Okay.
you gotta do it.
Got it.
Put him on the sofa.
Come on, put on the sofa. Come on, you can do it.
Come on, Mickey depends on it. You want to see Goofy?
Yeah, I like Goofy.
Then you better put that bear on the sofa.
Yes, I do.
That's
Got it. I got it.
She can't do that.
No, she can't. Alright, Jazz, I guess you're going to Disney World.
Yay! She stopped trying.
And there's the bear.
You know, you don't have to actually
Can we go to Disney World now?
No.
No.
I want to.
But I'm not packed.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
I'll tell you, trees
Anybody want to help her? Oh yeah, that's the funniest thing I've ever seen.
Mommy, I need to go to Disney World. Thank you.
Oh, you did it! Oh no, you fell. Here, Jazz, sit on the sofa by yourself.
Okay.
Okay? Oh, you did it!
I did it.
You did it!
I did
That means we gotta go to Disney World. But we're not going today. Do you want to go to Disney World? Do you want to go to Disney World? I want to go to Disney World.
You go with me.
Who else is gonna come?
Me.
Just me and you?
That's fine.
Okay.
Okay, bye, you little teddy Bobby.
His name is Max.
Max?
Yeah.
That's your mom. That's your mom pick it?
Your
Huh?
mom picked it out.
No, I picked it.
What?
He's got a middle name too.
Well, what is this?
Hank.
What is this, Dinomi?
Did you know that?
I think you
You
told me.
know
Max.
that.
That?
What's his last name? Do you have a last name? Shouldn't it be like Bear?
Oh no. Yeah, maybe.
Wow.
Maxwell Hank Bear. Oh my God, look at her go. Here, I want to do it. Here. Film.
Really?
Me and Jazz need to bring her.
This is so weird. Look at this.
He's gonna get you. He's gonna get you.
She left. And they're gone.
And there she goes. Come and get him. Oh no!
Uh-oh.
No. Oh no!
Uh-oh.
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 You gonna hurt my teddy?
I like your tennis racket.
Thank you.
You're welcome. That's for tennis.
You're not gonna hit him, are you?
No.
Look, he comes in peace.
Mhm.
See? I come in peace.
Uh-huh. Ooh. Your tennis racket's good.
Oh. Wait. We should do it.
No, you should probably fix it.
Look, that's broken already.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, but you don't want to break that. If she hits it with the ball, like, she probably doesn't know, like,
Do
how
you know how
hard
to swing it?
to hit it.
Mhm.
How do you hold it?
You're supposed to
Like
to
this,
hold
right?
it like, well, it depends on you if you're doing like a forehand or a backhand. Like,
Mommy.
you hold it
This is the best movie ever. Uh-oh.
Okay.
Gee whiz. She's hurting herself.
Beer. I want your beer.
Oh.
I want your beer.
Are we still being filmed?
Yes.
Oh. Hi, world. Say hello.
Hello.
To the world.
Word.
Hello, world.
Hello.
My name is Jasmine.
I'm Jasmine. You look at old.
Who's that? Say it.
Jason.
Jason. Okay. That's all, folks. Woo.